Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create TikTok Lite account on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to create a new account for TikTok Lite, first thing to do is to make sure that you've downloaded TikTok Lite application on your mobile device. Go tap open your Play Store and in the search box at the top, type in TikTok Lite and perform your search. Download the application that says TikTok Lite from TikTok PTE Limited by tapping on the install button in green right next to the app. Now, wait until the application gets downloaded on your mobile device. TikTok Lite is a lighter and optimized version of the already popular TikTok app. Once the installation is finished for your TikTok Lite, you'll see an open button popping up right beneath the app. Give it a tap to open and from the main homepage of TikTok Lite app, tap the Me button at the bottom right hand corner. Tap on Sign Up. In order to create a new account, you can sign up for TikTok by using one of these options displayed on the screen. You can continue signing up with your Facebook, Google, or Twitter. If you have a phone number or an email address available, you can tap on Use Phone or Email option. Now, select between phone or email. You can either select your country code and type in your phone number that is available to you in the text box, or you can create a new account with email. Go to the email tab if you'd want to sign up with email and now type in an email address that you'd like to associate with TikTok. After you are done typing in the email, tap Next. Create a new password for your TikTok account. While creating a password, make sure that your password is at least 8 to 20 characters long. It includes letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you type in a password for yourself, tap the Next button. Now, select your birthday from the option and tap on the Next button. Verify that you are a human being by completing this puzzle. Create a username for yourself by typing it in the text box and tap the Sign Up button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for TikTok Lite. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.